Are you afraid I'm gonna leave you for her?
Quick intro. If you're confused why there is a vlog on my main channel, I just filmed and explained the entire reasoning for it over on my vlog channel. I will leave that video link down below. Basically, I decided that I just wanted to combine all of my content onto one channel and just put all of my love and time and effort into one versus splitting it between two, because then one channel goes dry and the other one thrives. It also just confuses you guys. I feel like every day people are like, wait, you have two channels with the same name? I don't understand. On this channel, we will still have beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos, all that stuff, but it's very clear that I love making vlogs the most, you guys love seeing them the most, so we're adding vlogs onto this channel, and I'm very excited because I know that a bunch of you guys are subscribed to this channel, might not even be aware of my vlog channel, and whoa, I am so sorry. I'm excited for those of you who are new to the vlog style stuff to just get a little glimpse into my maybe interesting life. I don't know, that's up to you, but I just love making vlogs. Also, don't worry, I'm not deleting any of those videos. Think of it as like a yearbook that you can just look back on if you ever want to visit those memories, but we're bringing them over here. Hi. Right now I'm working on some measurements and figuring out what sized table can fit into my office and what's going to work the best. I remember doing this at my last apartment and I thought it was funny, so I would vlog it for you guys. But basically I just tape up the floors with painter's tape and try to imagine the piece of furniture in the room. We've got a ton of room in here and I'm trying to figure out what dining table size I want. To the left is smaller and to the right is obviously larger. I basically want to have like a conference table in this office because Manny and I always work at the same desk, and so I'd rather just get a larger table where we can fit everything, and also a table that works great for any flat lays, opening packages, boxes. What I'm doing is kind of like laying out a fake setup, so if we work on opposite sides of the table across from each other, I'm trying to figure out what makes the most sense. And then I feel like there's always going to be like some sort of thing in the middle. The fake beverages, so funny. This one is 70 inches long and this one is 72. This one is 42 across and the width of this one is 36. So the thing that I like about this one is, since this is wider, I feel like I could sit at the end of the table and work and have a ton more space than this one. And then also just like 2 inches of length. I feel, why not, right? I think this is the move. I actually have so much space to turn this room into the perfect office slash filming room, showroom, product room, all that stuff. It's going to hold all of it. I feel good about the large one, and I could like literally fit a couch in here. This is crazy. I have just always loved the look of white marble tables. I love these brown wicker chairs. I think these are gorgeous. Along this wall, I want to get a dresser that holds all of my makeup and my products, PR packages, stuff like that. I want to try to find something that just looks very vintage, and whether I find it at a flea market or a furniture store somewhere out here, but I want to get a dresser that just has a bunch of drawers that I could label and really organize. Whew. I just ate a meal that had red chili sauce. My lips are on fire. It was so spicy. I just grocery shopped for the first time for the new house. Quick grocery haul. We went a little crazy. We got a lot of stuff. Califia is my favorite, one of my favorite milk brands, and this is their toasted oats and almond milk. I'll show you guys like the snacks first. Himalayan pink salt popcorn. I haven't purchased chips in a long time. Like I don't remember the last time I had chips at home. They don't have very many ingredients, so they are pretty much like the healthiest chips can get, but their flavors are just so good. This is the nacho flavor, which I feel like I've had before, but these are really good. You guys know that I love Bonza chickpea pasta, so I got their penne pasta. I really want to try out this spaghetti. It's veggie pasta noodles by Natural Heaven, and you can literally microwave these noodles, so I think they're already like in noodle form. Oh wow. Got some marinara sauce if I'm feeling lazy and just want to throw together a bowl of pasta or spaghetti spaghetti and throw some sauce on top. I got these spicy tofu cubes. I love this brand. They have a really good curry flavored tofu. They have a really great Moroccan cubed tofu, and I've never tried this one. Got some Smart Sweets because I'm obsessed with them. I ran out. My favorites at the moment are the fruity gummy bears. They taste exactly like classic gummy bears. It's insane. This next thing I'm really excited about, I saw it in the aisle and had the idea of making soup this evening. Vegetarian, no chicken broth, low sodium. It's just like a vegetable broth, and I got a bunch of vegetables that I'm going to cook up. I honestly don't think I've ever made proper homemade soup. I guess I'm not making my own broth, but everything else I'm doing. 3 golden potatoes, some cherry tomatoes, 2 large carrots. I'm gonna slice them like coins. We got bananas. We got 3 avocados. I got a yellow onion and some garlic for the soup. Some celery, cut up green beans, and some broccoli. Time to make some soup. Getting the goods.
Running gum.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. It's Halloween. Happy Halloween. We've got movers today. At least I do, personally. We're finally having a couch, chairs, dresser, all of those things. And we got some candy for trick-or-treaters. We got this Tootsie Roll, like lollipop and dots and mostly Tootsie Roll mix. Twix. Yeah. Peanut butter M&Ms. Oh my god, we got so much.
Just peanut M&Ms.
Oh, you're right. Every version of Kit Kats. Ooh, what should I eat?
God.
What did you eat?
A Kit Kat.
A Kit Kat?
They're so good.
I love these fun sizes.
Me too.
Wow. We're loaded. Cloud share is covered. I'm gonna have them move all of this stuff. So many things, it's so empty. All of these things, we've got lots packed up. Bar cart is coming with us. Wow. So empty, this is so crazy. Closet, bathroom. This is a monumental moment. Wow, goodbye. Wow, this is really satisfying. This is crazy. Before the movers get here, we are going to pack some stuff into our cars. Just stuff that's like fragile, not as taped up and boxed up. So we're gonna bring this down to the car and hopefully they come soon because they should be here already. This is so crazy. The movers have been here for like an hour and all of this is like wiped out, except for this stuff. We're not moving this stuff right now.
Where are we?
We're in our home.
But Claudia's couch is here.
But my couch is here. My car, no, not my car. My camera was stuck in my car for most of the move, but we moved so many things and the movers worked so hard. They were so great, so sweet. Yeah, we sort of had to direct where everything went and didn't fully plan that out either, so there's a lot of stuff in this main room.
She says we, like I was a member of it. I was first chair violin in her orchestra. She was conducting the operation.
And moving a lot of it.
I adjusted a couple of things for her, but that's it.
You did great. Happy
The house feels bigger now there's shit in it.
It really does. Like our bedroom feels so filled and utilized well. And we have trick-or-treaters coming in the middle of our move. People are coming up with their cute little kids and all of them are like under 5 years old. It's the cutest thing ever.
Little kids.
It's so cute.
They're like the kids we're gonna have next year.
Oh my god.
Congratulations, lady.
Congrats to you.
My joke for the past several weeks when Claudia's been at the house that I was living in before this one is she'd go, babe, do you have a hairdryer? And I would go, I'm about to. And now I do.
Now you do.
Now I own everything Claudia owns.
This is true. What's mine is yours. It looks so good on the screen.
All your shit looks great here.
It looks so good. So we're starting with a lot of my living room furniture, obviously, and it just fits so well. Like we're not gonna have to really get a new couch until we have a huge desire to. We've got my TV up here, same table, same carpet, same chair down here. Phineas has a gray one he's gonna put in the studio.
When I bring mine over, we'll just see how we feel with it in here for a second.
Oh, definitely. We'll put them next to each other.
So just be curious.
I think it'll be a lot of gray.
It definitely might.
We have these gorgeous built-in shelves on the wall. Another one on this side. Oh, gorgeous. And watch this. Wow. Just look up 999. This definitely ended up being the busiest, most exhausting Halloween I've ever had in my life. I feel like I also need to defend myself real quick because I seem like a psychopath having my movers come on Halloween, but genuinely, I didn't realize. I called the moving company on Monday and basically was just like, can you do it this week? Any day, I'll take any day. And their only slot or availability was Thursday afternoon. And I didn't really think about it. I didn't really think about the fact that it was Halloween, but I'm so grateful that they helped us out. It made tonight so cute because we've just spent the entire evening in this living room, and it's so crazy how, you know, this room was just filled with boxes and it was mostly just empty, and within an hour suddenly your furniture's in here and this room is a home. This room is thriving right now. This is like my favorite room in the house right now. Yeah. But before that, it was just like a giant hallway that we were walking through to get upstairs, and very, very excited and grateful. Tomorrow is gonna be a fun day. I feel like I should vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be fun. I'll film some snippets.
I want to vlog the climate march.
Definitely. We're going to the climate march with Greta Thunberg. Not with her. That sounds like we're like going with her.
Are you afraid I'm gonna leave you for her?
Oh my God. I'm so glad you remembered this. I don't know when this was probably a few weeks ago or something. I think literally, like, it was a night that we were together too.
Yep.
I woke up in the morning and I turned to Phineas and I go, oh my God, Phineas, I had a nightmare last night that you left me for Greta Thunberg, which if you don't know who she is, first of all, crazy. Yeah, 16-year-old. Changing the world. I don't know why she was in my dream. You know what I think it was? I think she was joining you guys on tour to do speeches. All part of the dream.
This is not real.
This is all part of the dream, exactly. I think that is what the setup was, and you were like, well, I'm gonna be with Greta on tour this whole time, and what a crazy dream.
As soon as we get that fireplace working, it's game over.
Game over. We're gonna go get ready for bed now. Goodbye. That is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs up if you're excited about the change. It feels like a new, fresh start for me. I'm excited. But yeah, I will have my Twitter, Instagram, all that stuff linked down below. I will see you guys for the next vlog, video, whatever it might be. Because it's all going here. If you're new to this channel and you're coming from the vlog channel, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my vlogs. Great, love you guys, bye.